Hey, it's Alyssa. Good morning. Today is my birthday. Birthday leave lang for one day. Birthday leave lang for one day. Kaya next week kami mag-celebrate because we're going to
Manila.
and we're going to have our
Vacation.
no, mag-cup of joe concert me next week. So, today, kaya birthday leave lang for one day and we're going to Sama. See you there. Bye! Free shuttle padalas sa Elias. See you later. Good morning. Thank you. Free welcome drinks. Thank you. So, free use sa ilahang pool na ay 20 minutes na free kayak, no? Yeah. Isa sa iha and then isa sa ako. And then, sa 500 pesos, aking natutanan. Pool, beach, free kayak, and then if with lunch, 1,000 but we chose na mag 500 lang. Kaya gusto nila kami mag-free sa aming lunch. So, nag-rate me sa makatag sa mga sa beach kay Yes Benny was very thank you. Where are we going? To the beach.
Yung kayak po is dun po, sir. Okay. Yes po. Sige.
Thank you so
Sir
much.
po, enjoy po.
Look, a bag full of flowers. Lahat nila. Thank you. I-share na lang ako, guys. Kani, flowers for graduation. Kani, first ato ni dihatag kay, share na ko, guys. Ginaw mo ba? Kani is nag-crochet ang patient ni Lord. Tapos, nag-buy siya. Like, randomly. Yeah, I don't like flowers, trivia. I like flowers kanang mga night events. After anak kay like random occasion kay ganahan ko I like pangailangan. So, thank you so much. Thank you.
Come.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Look at a view.
Sakto na, pool ka.
Or gusto ka maligo ka dyan din.
Maligo sa pool.
Sige. Let's go! Ay, dito, balik kasi. Bahala ka. Bahala ka. Dito, paano? Hi guys! Sexy! Mag-ilang nila human. Igligo-igligo. Malamig-ilis. Time check is 4:32. Magbalik niyo sa beach. Magtambay kami for a while. Then mag-wait me before Samo ang out.
So how's your birthday celebration?
Just fine.
How-
Kayon jud ka. One day is not enough.
How-
So, perfect man. Here, it's very nice. Kay, wala ka mamuluma sa pamasahe kina free shuttle. 1 out of 10. Thank you so much. So, we are waiting for our shuttle. Kaya we are going home back to Davao. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I love chicken nuggets.
Super kayo.